In this video I'm going to show you how to do a slip stitch. Now slip stitch is used when you are needing to get somewhere else in the pattern but you can't actually make any stitches to get there. So it's kind of like a way of hiding things. So to do something like that you can just go into the stitch as normal. So you go into there unless it tells you to do a front or back loop, and then you just yarn over and pull through and through. Now with slip stitching you wanna be kind of gentle about it. If you're too tight then it will prevent it from stretching. So going into the next one, pull through and through. And it's a way of being able to move positions on a project like sweaters, anything like that, and then you can start something new and then carry on from that particular idea. See that? So it's a neat way of being able to do slip stitching in order to get yourself somewhere that you need to be without trimming off your yarn.